Everyone in and around the Hurricane area remembers Will Washburn. He would have been a senior in high school at Hurricane High School this year. So it's senior night for the Redskins basketball program tonight. They honored Will. Will Washburn was a 14-year-old who was playing basketball when he suddenly collapsed and passed away in April of 2020. The current Hurricane players played with Will in middle school and also travel ball. After he passed, his family started a foundation in his name, and tonight the Hurricane Town Elementary held a fundraiser and raised $2,000 for that foundation.